Welcome everyone to the Techlog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Techlog, I will be showing you how to delete Google Drive account. So for that, first process is to open the Google Drive application, tap open the app. Once you open the Google Drive application, you need to tap on the profile name on the top right corner. Tap that. From there, you need to tap on manage your Google account. Tap on it of Google account where all the information of your Google account and the setting will be available. From there, you need to tap on data and privacy. Here in data and privacy page, you scroll down to the bottom and you will have this option of delete your Google account. Tap that. Before you do that, you need to type in the password. Then tap on next. It will direct you to this page over here, delete your Google account. You need to go through all the information over here before you delete your account. Once it's done, you need to tap on the checkbox over here. Yes, I acknowledge that I am still responsible for any charges incurred due to any pending financial transaction, and I understand that under certain circumstances my earning won't be paid out. Then again, tap on the second checkbox. Yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account and all its data. Then continue on delete account. Your Google account and all its data have been deleted. So this is how you can delete your Google Drive account. You did not just delete your Google Drive account, you have deleted your whole Google account overall. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Techlog YouTube channel. Thank you.